I'm bringing you in because I value your opinion. What do you think about this? Eventually, the CEO and like a lot of the executive leadership team start seeing these like concepts, and they're like, "Why aren't we doing this?"
Yeah.
Oh, all of a sudden,
And then they go back down and be like telling the product managers, "What the hell? We got these ideas. You're not doing." Yeah.
Yeah,
I love that.
Yeah, like you've seen these designs, you don't want to like execute them, and so Mitch said, instead of going to the table, we just created our own table.
I love
and
that,
so.
dude.
You know, when you think of like the metaphor of like holding court, it's usually like kind of high status individual, and then everyone is around the table for that high status individual. Now, this is a strategy. This is like a way to like approach work. This isn't like a best practice, and it requires a lot of like great like handle on communication skills to pull it off. But why go to someone else's table if the person running that table is not making the best prioritization decisions? Instead, try to be the cool kids. Have people want to talk to the designers.